How to resize video in CapCut in your PC. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. First of all, in your PC, open up CapCut. To get started, you have to select a video. So make sure you have a video in your CapCut. There you can import a video from your device. Then click on open. After that, you have to drag your video to timeline. Now, there you have a video in our screen. Now, if you would like to adjust the size of your video, head over to the top right corner and there you will get an edit box. From there, make sure the uniform scale toggle is turned on. After that, there are a few ways that you can adjust your video size. The first one, if you simply go to your video and hover over your video, there you will get this line right here. Now you can simply go at the corner of this video and with the help of your mouse, you can simply adjust your video size as in or out the way you like. There you see. You can simply zoom or you can simply drop out or in, or you can simply drag out or in to adjust your video size the way you want. Or else you can also use this slider that says scale right here. You can either increase or decrease with the help of this slider as well. So this was the first way to adjust your video size. Or if you simply go and turn off this toggle right here, and with the help of this scale width and scale height, you can increase the height and width of this video as well. If you go and increase the scale width, it's gonna increase your width size of your video. Or if you like to increase the height too, there is a slider to increase that as well. So simply go and increase this, and there you see the height of your video will get increased. Or you'll also get different type of ratios for your videos. If you click on this ratio option from here, and there you get different types of ratios to your videos depending upon the application or social media that you would like to use your video to. Or you can also make a customized ratio as well. So there you can simply type in your custom ratio for your video. So that's how you can adjust your video size in PC in your CapCut, and hope this video helped you. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.